Okay guys, following on from the previous video on the Samsung Galaxy S6, we were looking at an application in there called Adaptive Rotation Lock. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Adaptive Rotation Lock in Force Auto and have it really looking nice on the screen. Now in this video, if we've got it on Force Rotation and we're using TouchWiz, you can see when we rotate we get a jumbled mess. We get the icons that are the phone icons along the bottom of the screen, stay on the bottom of the screen. The folders are hidden behind that. You can see the weather widget stays in a phone size profile, so it's the same width as a phone would be. My gallery application down the left-hand side is very messy. My Google cards are just a tiny block on one side of the window, and all in all, it just looks really bad. So you probably wouldn't use it so much using it with TouchWiz. Now, the way around this, and my preferred way of using it, is very similar to the iPhone 6 Plus. If you go and download Google Now Launcher, and we'll go just once at the moment, and you set this up how you want it. Google Now Launcher is very light. It gives you the added option of having Google Now on every screen, which Samsung have taken off TouchWiz. So you've got Google Now on every screen, so you can use that no problem, voice activated. But the added advantage, combined with the tool that we've just said about before, the Adaptive Rotation Lock, because Google Now Launcher or stock Google Lollipop is designed to run on both tablets and phones, within their application it's optimized for both systems. Now initially, straight out of the App Store when you load it on, because there's no rotation on the device to use it, you're stuck in portrait unless you go into an application that lets you go into landscape. So certainly if you're going to have the device and you're going to use it on a desktop and you're using certain things all the time, you're going to be stuck in landscape mode on your desktop. That's going to be sideways, obviously. We'll get rid of the rotation lock. So we're going to Adaptive Rotation Lock. We'll disable that. So if you've got it on your desktop and you're working on something and you suddenly go out of an application that's in landscape, you're going to get back to this interface and it's going to be on its side. So if you've got it in a holder or you've got it stood up in a desktop bank or whatever you want to use it with a wireless keyboard, you're always going to come back to this interface. But by using this Adaptive Rotation Lock, you set to Force Auto. Now when you turn it into landscape, you can see the interface is much nicer in its layout and how it's set out, because it's set into the default Lollipop layout. You can see your icons down this side have gone to the side of the screen and they've rotated. As I go across different screens, you can see everything's been optimized. So the gallery, the calendar application I've got on the left hand side, you can see is more optimized. The icons for your widgets are more optimized, and if I go across to my Google Now, there you can see the widget for the calendar and everything's right in the center of the screen. And you see the Google Now application is full screen. You see rotate it and it'll go back into normal, and it's optimized to change for whatever screen you're using. So all in all, you're getting pretty much very similar sort of interface that you would get on a Google tablet running stock Lollipop, or even a similar interface that you would get on an iPhone 6 Plus. Very easy to use, very nice interface. If this has been helpful to you and you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll get more videos out that are going to be useful to you using your S6 device. So I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching again, and give me a thumbs up and I'll get more tutorials out to you in the near future. Again, thanks for watching.